Let's talk about Labour's family farm tax. While Leicester East isn't filled with fields and farms, Labour's family farm tax is still going to dig into the pockets of local people across Leicester. When costs rise for British farmers, costs rise for British people. Thousands of farmers will shut their gates forever. Labour's family farm tax will increase food prices, risk local jobs, and threaten the country's food security. The truth is, Labour are attacking every community with this tax.
That's why we need a strong team with a credible plan and the backbone needed to stand up to Keir Starmer on your behalf.
The Conservatives are the only party with a credible plan.